This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Terry Smith. Nice well-kept home and conveniently located to shopping, schools, the Y, hospital and interstate. New air conditioner unit just installed this month. New microwave, electric range, and dishwasher and refrigerator replaced in the last 2 years. Nice sized garage and fully fenced backyard. Spacious master bedroom with walk-in closet. Come see this one before it is gone. For more information, review the details below.